Do you like potatoes? Potatoes are often called apples that grow underground because they're so rich in vitamins. When we think of vitamins, we often think of sweet and sour tastes, but it's amazing that potatoes contain twice as much vitamin C as apples. The more we learn about potatoes, the more we discover they're packed with nutrients. There are various potato dishes around us, but depending on how you eat potatoes, they can either raise your blood sugar or make your calf muscles strong and firm. Potatoes are foods that are most greatly affected by cooking methods. So today, we'll learn about healthy ways to eat potatoes that lower blood sugar and build muscle. I hope this information helps not only those with high blood sugar, but also those who frequently experience heartburn, suffer from joint pain, get painful calf cramps while sleeping, and those with abdominal obesity. You might wonder, how can potatoes, which are carbohydrate chunks, make muscles strong and prevent calf cramps? Potatoes are nutritional powerhouses rich in antioxidants like flavonoids, carotenoids, phenols, and vitamin C, plus abundant magnesium and potassium. Potatoes have many benefits for our bodies as nutritional powerhouses. They're high in vitamin C content, which helps boost immunity. Compared to apples, potatoes contain twice as much vitamin C and 5.5 times more than bananas. The potassium in potatoes helps eliminate sodium, assisting with blood pressure control. However, water-soluble nutrients like vitamin C and potassium leak out and are destroyed when boiled in water. Research has shown that boiling potatoes with their skin on can prevent vitamin C loss and reduce other mineral losses. Even when cooking with the skin, steaming or baking rather than boiling can further reduce nutrient loss. Particularly, potatoes baked with their skin contain twice as much vitamin C as boiled potatoes. When steaming, steam with the skin on, and if you don't like the skin texture, peel it after steaming. This is much healthier. When you're in deep sleep and suddenly wake up with calf pain, the whole body feels paralyzed and the pain is severe. This especially occurs more often in pregnant women or after middle age, when muscles begin to deteriorate. Research shows that frequently eating foods rich in magnesium, potassium, and sodium can prevent leg cramps. Baking or steaming potatoes rather than boiling them maintains magnesium and potassium content with minimal reduction. To prevent calf cramps, you should steam or bake potatoes. If baking takes too much time and is bothersome, you can steam many potatoes at once, store them in the refrigerator, then blend them with milk for easy consumption. As we age, muscles gradually decrease, and our bodies don't feel the same as before, leading to reduced activity. This decreased activity causes various diseases like heart disease and stroke, damaging healthy living. An easy way to prevent this muscle loss problem is through nutritional powerhouse potatoes. Eating potatoes can prevent muscle loss and maintain strong muscles and health. The reason is that potatoes are rich in healthy nutrients, and among them, the protein in potatoes is evaluated as premium-grade protein. The renowned researchers team confirmed based on amino acids absorbed in the body that eggs scored 101 points and potatoes scored 100 points. An average score of 100 or above is evaluated as premium-grade protein. Protein is important for many functions, but among them, it has the effect of suppressing muscle loss, which is important for elderly health. Research shows muscle mass decreases by 3% annually after age 60. To prevent this muscle loss and build strong muscles, consuming quality protein is the most reliable prevention method among various approaches. Another reason potatoes are good for preventing muscle loss is their carbohydrates. The carbohydrates in potatoes are resistant starch, which delays food digestion and causes blood sugar to rise gradually. Looking at potato glycemic index values, it's 90, which seems difficult to eat. However, potatoes' G index varies greatly depending on cooking and storage methods. There are 2 ways to eat potatoes while lowering blood sugar. First, research shows that pressure cooking lowers potatoes' glycemic index compared to baking or steaming. Second, after cooking potatoes, store them in the refrigerator for more than 16 hours, then reheat before eating to lower blood sugar. According to a paper published in Science Journal, refrigerating potatoes triples resistant starch content, lowering the glycemic index by up to 40%. For a recommended morning recipe, blend 1 boiled egg and half a pre-steamed, refrigerated potato with 1 cup of milk and eat with green vegetable salad. This can prevent muscle loss and calf cramps, all at once. Some people consume raw potatoes like medicine, so let's look at raw potato juice benefits. For external use, vitamin-rich potato packs help with skin whitening, and thin slices on skin help soothe sunburn due to potatoes' anti-inflammatory properties. For internal use, pectin fiber promotes beneficial gut bacteria growth, helping with constipation and sleep. Resistant starch helps with heartburn due to excess stomach acid, and antioxidants protect stomach lining. Raw potato juice is excellent for heartburn relief if you have stomach ulcers. Potato juice has been used as an anti-inflammatory for joint pain relief for centuries. To make potato juice, you can either grate potatoes and squeeze out the juice, or grate potatoes. Let starch settle, then take 1 teaspoon of settled starch on empty stomach. This is especially recommended for those suffering from arthritis, heartburn, or stomach ulcers. However, there are important precautions for raw potatoes. Quercetin is concentrated in potato skin, so blend with skin. For diabetics or first-time users, start with half a potato, not a whole one. If no gas or bloating occurs, you can take it twice daily for faster effects. Raw potatoes contain anti-nutrients like trypsin inhibitors and lectins that can interfere with protein and iron absorption. For those who drink lots of coffee or tea or worry about iron deficiency or muscle loss, consume potato juice alone, not with other foods. Use fresh potatoes only and avoid sprouted or green potatoes due to toxic solanine and saponin. Potato peels contain inulin and fiber that help break down body fat, effective for abdominal obesity and fat loss. To make potato peel tea, wash potatoes thoroughly under running water, peel with a peeler, then spread peels on balcony for 1 to 2 days to dry, sun drying preferred for vitamin D. Roast dried peels in a dry pan until golden and crispy. The taste is similar to scorched rice water, delicious and healthy. Good combinations with potatoes include chicken, vegetables, fish, eggs, milk, and cheese. Especially milk provides vitamin A that potatoes lack, and eggs enhance protein absorption. Avoid combining potatoes with high-fat meats which can raise cholesterol, and fruits or sweet foods which can cause blood sugar spikes. Diabetics should be careful. Store potatoes with soil still on them, wrapped in newspaper, in a well-ventilated, dark place away from sunlight. The benefits of potatoes include immune system enhancement, muscle cramp relief, age-related muscle loss prevention, diet effects, blood pressure control, stomach lining protection, and skin soothing. For healthy preparation methods, steam or bake with skin on. To lower blood sugar, store cooked potatoes in refrigerator for 16 or more hours before eating, or pressure cook them. For arthritis or heartburn, raw potato juice is beneficial. For abdominal obesity and dieting, potato peel tea is effective. Health must be maintained while you're healthy. Always take good care of your health. If this information was helpful, please share it with your loved ones. We'll come back with healthy and helpful information. Have a happy and healthy day today.